In this short video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to recover your Instagram account even if you can't access your email or phone number. Losing access to your Instagram account can be frustrating, especially when it feels like you've lost all your memories, connections, or business opportunities. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to regain control of your account quickly and effectively. Imagine how much relief and confidence you'll feel when your account is fully restored, just like countless others who followed these steps successfully. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including recovering social media accounts under tricky circumstances. Stay with me until the end to discover how to recover a hacked Instagram account. Now, let's get started with how to recover Instagram account without email and password. To start, open a browser on your phone, PC, or tablet and go to Instagram.com. On the login page, click the Forgot Password option. This will bring up a screen prompting you to enter your email, username, or phone number. Even if you've forgotten your email or phone number, you can still use your username to initiate the recovery process. Enter your username and click Next. If the username is recognized, Instagram might send a recovery link to the email or phone number associated with the account. If you can't access your email or phone, select the Need More Help option on the recovery page. This will guide you to Instagram's support form. Enter a new contact email that Instagram can use to reach you. This email should be one you currently have access to. Then, provide details about your account, such as whether it's a personal, brand, or company account. Be as accurate as possible. If you don't have access to your email or phone number, Instagram may ask you to take a video selfie for identity verification. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and do the following. Turn your head slowly to the left, right, and upward while recording. Ensure you're in a well-lit room for better clarity. Once you've submitted the form or selfie verification, Instagram will review your request. This can take 1 to 2 business days. Check your new contact email for a response, which will include a link to reset your password if your identity is verified. If you don't remember connecting a phone number to your account, try entering your current number, it might still be linked. Always use an email that you've never associated with Instagram before when filling out the support form. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with how to retrieve Instagram password. Once Instagram confirms your identity, use the reset link to create a new password. Ensure your new password is secure and unique to prevent future issues. Finally, log into your account and enjoy being back online. But what if the account has been hacked? No worries, in this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to recover a hacked Instagram account. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Instagram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.